Hey guys, Quinn from Canada. Need a holder for your spare Prusa plate? Well, I got the 3D print just for you. This design is made to fit these neodymium magnets that you could get from Amazon. So you can mount this way and use it as a shelf. You can mount it upside down and with the magnet stick it onto there. Or if you just love the honeycomb pattern, mount it right on your wall. Doesn't that look awesome? Put a magnet on it, bang. Now, I've included a full version and a broken down version so that you don't have to wait for the Prusa XL to print this out. Let's check out the assembly procedure. For the multi-print version, you'll need to print off each corner and 2 dovetails. Grab your favorite glue, grab any notepad you might have laying around, just to keep the glue from falling on your desk. Start by putting just a dab of glue down here and secure one side of your dovetail. Now the dovetail does have a bevel on one side. That's there to help you get it into the slot. I suggest adding a dab of glue here, dab of glue there, dab of glue there, glue here, and just put everything together and just hold it there until the glue dries. Same for the other side. Hold it with your offhand so that you can enjoy a beverage with your main hand. Once you have the 2 halves assembled, you can either glue them together or you can just screw them in. Just pinching it should be enough to line it up fairly well. There's a little bit of play in the model, so you don't have to be dead on accurate. And once again, hold it till the glue dries. Try not to glue your fingers together like I have. And if you've glued it to the back of your pad, just a gentle pinch, bit there, and that will be our little secret. I hope you guys like the design. I hope you print one out for yourself. And if you ever want to know how to build something like this, check out my YouTube channel. There's a ton of FreeCAD tutorials on there. And if you're joining me for the first time, Scotch scribe, na zdrowie.